I am super excited, like a kid on Christmas morning, because I just got a new drone and it's going to give me the ability to get some really cool footage and get even better videos for you guys. It's got modes like follow me, so basically it drives itself and follows me around. So when I go up to the Derby Canyon Retreat, which as you guys probably already know, I've got property up in the Cascade Mountains that I do a lot of Self Reliance work, and that's where I do a lot of my filming on how-tos, and we're living off the land up there. And I can only access that property via snowmobile about 4 or 6 months out the year. I'll be going up there in probably 2 or 3 weeks, and so this is going to allow me to get footage of the snowmobile ride up as the thing's following me, so I'm super excited about that. And it's so small, it's actually been sitting in my pocket this whole time. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. There's no affiliation or anything like that. I actually saw this on another YouTube channel of Will Survives, which, by the way, that dude is hilarious. You might check his channel out. Essentially, it folds up. You can unfold it. Right now, I have it set to that follow me mode. So it had a calibration process. I took a picture of my face. I think it probably just has face tracking like the new phones and smart stuff does. And I'm pretty sure that with being in the mode that it's set to, which is follow me, a quick press on the power button, and as long as it can see you, then it just takes off. Oh, dude, this thing is so cool. So there it is. You can kind of see it following me right there. So again, when I go up to the mountains and I'm on the snowmobile and I'm trying to get some really cool footage, some outdoor stuff, and showing you guys the way we get up there and just putting some really cool outdoor and off-road videos together, this will definitely be the tool I use. So right now it's just following me. It's got other modes. It's got like bird's eye, so I think I'll be able to get some really cool high up elevation footage of the property. It's got orbit, which I think just kind of like circles you as you go. You can take just a still photo, zoom out, some other stuff like that. But so far, this thing is super cool. And let's see if I can't get it in frame. Whenever you're done, you just extend your hand out, and it lands right in your palm. I am super excited for the new footage and opportunities this thing's going to provide for me. I definitely want to let you guys know after I use it a bit more if it's worthwhile or not. I'm a little concerned with how it'll do in the wind because it's super lightweight, and the battery looks like it might not last super long, but it does come with 2 of them, so hopefully I can charge one while the other's in use. But I'm super excited. I think it's going to be fun, and I think it's going to help me create even better footage for you guys. So, like always, be sure to subscribe so you can get that future footage and see those awesome off-road videos and the other stuff I'll be putting out, especially when I'm heading up to the mountains and spending time at the Derby Canyon Retreat. So, I can't wait to bring you more footage. I'm super excited. And until next time.
My mission is self-reliance through sustainable living, and we're here to build a community. Click here to subscribe to be sure to get more awesome content for living off the land. And be sure to go in to enter for notifications. Click that bell, get notifications, and stay in tune. Subscribe, watch, and comment. Let's build a community. See you soon.